So far we have dealt with what? Gauss's law and its application. In case there is a plain sheet of charge, means what? Charge is not placed on a metallic sheet. It is not on a metallic sheet. Charge is in space like this. Sheet of charge. It is not charge on a metal surface. It is not a case. The case is charge sheet. That means it is in space. When it is in space, probability theory, half of the lines will move to the left and half of the lines will move to the right. You have to find out electric field at a point. Again, if you have to find out electric field at a point, say this one, you can assume a Gaussian surface. आ गया याद? Let this surface, flat surface is S, this flat surface is also S. This curved surface, no line passes through the curved surface. Why? Lines are parallel to this surface. Lines are neither converging nor diverging. Parallel lines are. If these lines are parallel, that is why at this distance, at this distance, at this distance, any distance, the number of lines per unit area will remain same, because the lines are neither converging nor diverging. But say for this particular cylinder, we apply Gauss's law. First step for Gauss's law is assume a point, assume a Gaussian surface, you have assumed, apply Gauss's law. EDS is equal to total charge enclosed. Let the total charge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that is total charge 8, say 8 coulomb, or we represent it as Q. So total charge enclosed divided by epsilon naught. Value of E is the same whether it is this point, this point, this point, this point, or this point, this point. Value of P, the E, that is magnitude of E, not direction. Direction at this point is towards right, at this point is towards left, but magnitude of E remains the same. E ds is equal to Q by epsilon naught. Now, total surface area. You are not to account for this curved surface area. Curved surface area account for nahi karna. You have to account for this surface area. It is how much? S. This is how much? S. That is why the total surface through which the lines pass is 2S is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So, E is equal to Q by 2 epsilon naught S. Comes out to be what? Yes, Q by S is termed as charge density. Charge per unit area, charge density, charge per unit area, Q by S. So, what you get is where it is equal to what? Charge per unit area. 4 minutes with you to write. 3 marks the question, board. बोलो बोलो बोलो. If you see the text, books देखोगे, notes भी देखोगे, you would take into account why it is so. Suppose you place a bulb on this wall. 50% of the light is on this side and 50% of the light is on the other side. It is just like that. A point charge, lines move to the left as well as to the right. If you place a bulb here on the wall, if you place a bulb here, 50% of the light is on this side of the wall, 50% of the light is on the other side of the wall. That is why it is just a method to say it, that 50% of the lines move to the right and 50% lines move to the left. 4 minutes to write. कर ले कंप्लीट। 13 देखो की है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज फाइंड E due to, yes, you have to find out E due to what? Yes, spherical cloud, that means volume distribution of a charge, both inside E due to spherical cloud, of charge. There are two cases for the same. First part deals with what? Inside or outside? Outside. Let us first define the problem. A cloud of charge. When I say cloud, it is uniformly distributed charge. Charge is distributed in a sphere throughout. Inside, that is volume distribution. Charge is Q and radius is R. In the first case, we have to find out, yes, inside or outside? Outside. So we have to plot E as a function of R. When you say outside, that means R lies between capital R and infinity. Step 1, की पता करना है बोलो? At a point, let this be the point where you want to find out the electric field by using Gauss's law. Next step, yes, this is at what distance? R. Next step is what? Draw a Gaussian surface. As per Gauss's law, total electric flux out of a closed surface is equal to, yes, charge enclosed by epsilon naught. Charge enclosed bolo करना है. This total sphere encloses this much charge. Total charge, how much? Capital Q. Now value of E at all these points is same in terms of magnitude. Why? Because these points are at equal distance. E ds integration, again surface area of a sphere, बोलो कितना है? 4 pi r square is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So E is equal to what? E is equal to Q over 4 pi epsilon naught r square. This is something you are writing in number of questions. The chapter, this particular chapter, 50% of the chapter deals with the electric field, and most of the question is same and the answer is also same. Electric field due to charge Q is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. Yes, relationship below, E is inversely proportional to r square. As you move away, R increases, E decreases. So E is inversely proportional to r square. 4 minutes to write. Take one full page. E is inversely proportional to r square. लिखो. Any hypothetical surface which you draw with the purpose to find electric field is Gaussian surface. It is not something which you can touch upon. It is hypothetical. Yesterday it was sphere, a cylinder, and it has a regular, generally a regular symmetry in our syllabus. B part, yes. Refer करो B part की है, बोलो. A part was outside. B part is inside. When you say inside, that means what? R lies between, yes, फिर तो कर देने. Any point which is inside, say this one, at a distance R from the center. So inside means R lies between what? 0 to capital R. Now, step 1 below. Pick up a point. Let this is the point P where you want to find out electric field. Next step below. Draw a Gaussian surface. Now the charge enclosed in this one will be capital Q or less than capital Q? Less than, because this volume is less than the total volume. So the challenge is to find out charge. That means apply Gauss's law. E ds is equal to charge enclosed up to R by epsilon naught. So the challenge is to find out QR. Total volume 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Volume of this part is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Density remains same. So charge QR is equal to what? That is what the challenge is. QR is equal to, मैं साइड पे लिख रहे हैं. Total charge बोलो कितना? Capital Q, yes. Total volume 4 by 3 pi R cube into volume of this small sphere is what? 4 by 3 pi R cube. This is R cube by capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi is cancelled. So the only challenge here is this one, to find out this value QR. कितना लिखा बोलो? Q into R cube over R cube. This is the charge divided by epsilon. Solve the left side. E, value of E at all these points, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these points, value of E, magnitude remains same. Same आ गया. Then integration of ds. E into, yes, ds means small area. Integration means total. Closed. This circle means what? Closed. So that means you have to find out surface area of what? A sphere. इतने गलती ना कर देना. 4 pi, yes, small r cube, square sorry, is equal to Q by epsilon naught R cube by R cube. E solve करूँगा तो क्या आ जाएगा? This is R cube, this is R square. R cube by R square, की बन गया? R. So what you get is Q over 4 pi epsilon naught R cube into R. E is proportional to R. Y is proportional to X. ये बनेगा straight line. But this straight line will pass through 2 points. को देखने कड़े कड़े. Number 1, when R is 0, E is also 0. So I get 1 point. Second point किस तरह आएगा? Put small r is equal to capital R. If I put small r is equal to capital R, this is r's power 1, this is r's power 3, की बन जाएगा Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Outside also, value comes out to be same, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. That means this point lies लिखो ना जे कोई गल नहीं, पर समझो this point lies on both the graphs, outside as well as inside. Inside it is a straight line, and there are 2 points, so you can join the two. So outside it is inversely proportional to R, inside it is directly proportional to R. Same is true for small g in +1, gravitational field intensity. Because the formula is same, that is why inside g directly proportional to R, outside Earth inversely proportional to R square. 5 minutes to write. We refer to question number 15, not 14. 14 तक 26 कवर हो जाएगा. Everything about electric dipole. What is an electric dipole? Define electric dipole moment, direction, SI units. Question number बोलो कितना है? 15. What is an electric dipole? Charge minus Q, another charge plus Q, say in a molecule, separated by some distance, say 2L. This is what we call as equal and opposite charge separated by a small distance. That is what we call as an electric dipole. Chemistry cha hai molecule overall is a neutral, but center of the positive charge does not coincide with the center of a negative charge. There is a distance between the two, so this we use as a electric dipole. फिर तो पढ़ते हैं हम. Electric dipole is system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. The distance between the charges is called length of dipole. Here 2L is length of dipole. This is one. B part. Electric dipole moment. Negative charge minus Q, positive charge plus Q, distance between the two 2L. How do you define electric dipole moment? Yes. बोलो कितना केमिस्ट्री च पढ़ा सुना पहले कदे. Electric dipole moment is what? Magnitude बोलो इधर इक्वल है. Electric dipole moment is magnitude बोलो charge into distance. Direction बोलो पढ़ के दस दो. Yes, direction, electric dipole moment direction is negative to positive. That is why let us mark this as a direction P unit vector. So P is a vector quantity having its direction negative to positive. So direction is from negative to positive. Units, yes, SI unit. Bolo, SI unit for charge is what? Coulomb, capital C. It is represented by capital C. Coulomb. And length, meter. So it is Coulomb meter. SI unit is Coulomb meter. Dimensions. सारे ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस है लेवल 1 दे. Dimensional formula for P electric dipole moment is, बोलो चार्ज का बोलो की है? +1 चैप्टर 1 फंडामेंटल की है करंट. करंट का की है? यस, एम्पियर. चार्ज इज एम्पियर इंटू टाइम, ए इंटू टी. डिस्टेंस, लेंथ. So dimensional formula, if you combine all these, to be written as m0, mass is not there, length is there, time is there, a is there. So what you get is m0, l1, t1, a1. This is what this electric dipole moment means. C and D, what does Q1 plus Q2 signify? In any of the molecule, if the sum of the two is 0, we can treat this as a dipole. And the D part deals with symmetry. What is the ideal dipole? If yes, charges are high and the distance between the two is small. In a molecule, distance between positive charge and negative charge is what order? Angstrom. Very, very small. What type of symmetry it is there? For example, if I mark it like this, negative and a positive, lines come out of positive, end up at negative. If I see the symmetry is shape. Yes, looks like a cylinder. खीरा होंदा ना, ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ, ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਹੈ ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰਿਕ ਫੀਲਡ ਲਾਈਨਸ. ਸੋ ਸਿਮੈਟਰੀ ਇਜ਼, ਬੋਲੋ ਕਿਹੜੀ? cylindrical. 5 minutes to write. 5 minutes to write question number 15.